Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 to an Android device. Begin by going into Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now click on I agree at the top. Select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top or just tap on your screen. After that, select Send at the bottom left corner of tablet and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, scroll down and select the best option for your ads. Wherever you decided, click on Close this window and go back to tablet. Now you can finally use all of those categories available at the top and select multiple files that you wish to send. When you are finished, just hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and last but not least, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!